Wow! So today we are going to be installing this thing into the STi GF8 down there.
Kijk maar foto het bot, jongen.
It's gonna go there. So this is the start. I'm gonna take off the bumpers, taking the airflow meter off.
Remove this factory airbox.
Yeah, the factory airbox has to go, even though I don't want to. So as you guys know, Gomi is giving me brand new piping that's still wrapped, hasn't even been like undone yet. And another one.
It's just this one that's not wrapped anymore, but it's still brand new.
No you. So the car hasn't been started with the front mount, everything is apparently sealed up and whatnot, pod filter, airflow meter.
We already test started it.
Oh, come on, don't do that. I don't know, man, I don't know, what do you think? But yeah, there you go, mate.
I think GC kit would have been better than a GD kit.
Yeah, it's got a version 7 STi stuff on it, kit. Okay, kinda nervous. Woo! It's not in gear or anything.
Probably, no news.
No leaks, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Oh, I'm scared. Oh yeah. Whoa! That sounds cool. That sounds so awesome. I love it. I love it. Yes, that's a success. Only thing left to do now is cut the bumper, which hopefully won't be a success. I mean, hopefully it is a success, but I don't think it might be. I don't know. Cut there, so we can put it. That sounds so good. I'm excited. Woo! Gee. What? I just love that sound. Yes. That sounds so good. That looks so cool. Yeah, yeah, that is awesome. So yeah, this is basically what the front mount looks like. It looks awesome, sounds good. I love how it turned out. Obviously needs the lip. Thanks to Goma/Hamish for installing the front mount also. But will I keep the front mount or will I get rid of it? We'll find that out in the future. Thanks for watching. Until the next time. Peace.